Listen up, because this is the most important shift happening in content creation right now. The creator economy isn't just growing, it's exploding. Right now, it's valued at over $250 billion and is expected to double to $480 billion by 2027. That means more creators are making money, building brands, and turning their content into full-time businesses than ever before. But here's the real question. Are you ready for it? Because while this industry is booming, the competition is getting way more intense. The difference between who makes it and who doesn't. AI. AI is the ultimate cheat code for content creators, saving you time, boosting engagement, and even making you more money. If you're not using AI right now, you're already falling behind. But the good news, I got you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 game-changing ways content creators can use ChatGPT to scale faster, work smarter, and make more money. And I'm not just giving you vague ideas. I've got specific prompts so you can start using AI today. Let's get into it. The hardest part of content creation, coming up with fresh, engaging ideas every single day. But with ChatGPT, you can generate highly shareable, trending content in seconds. Example prompt. I'm a niche content creator. Give me 10 viral video ideas for platform based on current trends. Make them unique and engaging. Why it matters. AI analyzes viral trends across social media and gives you ideas that are more likely to blow up. No more staring at a blank screen. Just tweak the best ideas and start creating. Real talk. The best creators aren't the ones who post the most. They're the ones who jump on trends first. AI helps you predict what's next before everyone else. Want longer watch time and more viral videos? The structure of your content matters more than ever. AI can help you craft scripts that hook viewers, keep them engaged, and get them to take action. Example prompt. Write a YouTube script for a length video about topic. Make the intro hook engaging, add humor, and include a strong call to action at the end. Why it matters. AI studies what makes viral content work and structures your script for max engagement. No more rambling, you get clear, punchy storytelling that keeps viewers hooked. Pro tip. YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos are blowing up. Creators using AI to optimize their video flow are seeing higher retention rates and better algorithm push. Captions aren't just text. They're your first impression. A great caption can mean the difference between 5 likes or 5,000 likes. Example prompt. Write 5 Instagram captions for a type of post. Make them engaging, fun, and include a call to action. Why it matters. AI analyzes high-performing posts and suggests captions that trigger engagement. It helps you sound more human, not robotic, so your audience actually connects with your content. Trend alert. Brands are now paying top dollar for creators who get engagement, and your captions are part of the game. 1 video equals 10 pieces of content. If you're not repurposing, you're leaving money and followers on the table. Example prompt. Take this blog post, video transcript, or caption and repurpose it into a Twitter thread, LinkedIn post, and Instagram carousel captions. Why it matters. More content without doing more work equals faster audience growth. AI automates repurposing so you can focus on high-level strategy, not rewriting captions all day. Fact. The top 1% of creators repurpose everything. It's how they stay visible without burning out. Your followers are cool, but your email list is where the money is. AI helps you automate emails that convert followers into customers. Example prompt. Write a high-converting email promoting product/service to my audience of niche. Make it conversational, engaging, and include a strong call to action. Why it matters. AI writes emails that sell, whether you're promoting your own product or an affiliate offer. It saves you hours of writing so you can focus on making content and getting paid. Fact. The biggest content creators aren't just making ad money. They're making passive income through smart AI-powered email marketing. Let's keep it 100% real. The content creator game is changing fast. If you're not using AI, you're going to struggle to keep up. If you start now, you'll save time, make more money, and stay ahead of the competition. Question for you, which AI hack are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more AI-powered content strategies, hit that like and subscribe button for more creator hacks. Stay smart, stay curious, and always secure the bag.